Hello for everyone, and today repair of this clutch actuator. This is for 5-speed transmission, semi-automatic, 1.4 diesel, 1.6, 1.8. It's still we still have a lot of this model on the road, and let's continue them live. So what I'm introducing, I can share with you full technology of repair this unit from A to Z, all details, everything. What's the bearing, what the brushes, where to buy, what the bushing, what the grease, how to do, what the tools you need. You see, it's possible to repair each of actuator with 100% result. 100% result. Even you can repair once. If it will broke again, you can repair twice, 3 times, no matter. My technology working also with this. What the tools? You see some pliers, some screwdrivers, this unit, some these tools, not a lot. You see, it no need some big machine, some more special instrument. No. Yes, we need some machine. I will show you. No problem. I will describe in details how it working, for what this, how to do that the clutch actuator will like manufacturer parameters. And now I will repair this clutch actuator. You see, by the rubber we see that someone did something, and I will show. I will not show at this moment full my technology. No, I will show how this actuator will change inside. And if you want to learn this, I can share with you, not for free, but it's worth it. So let's go. So what we have, this is the original bushing. This, you see, it's not original bushing. Okay. Worm gear. Okay. The motor, you see the motor is okay, even it has brushes about 40%, but I will change in any case. So continue the game. So this is the old brushes. Old bushing. This is the new bushing. It's like a regular, but it's not regular. Yeah. This is the cover. You see? Now it's with the bearing. Jig. So new bushing, the bearing, it's okay, but it's not resolving the old problem, because the original clutch actuator working about 100,000 kilometers with no problem on bushings. Yeah. Okay, yes, better to do the bearing because it will know some clearance long time. It will work in long time. But the most important thing is to restore this gear, the worm gear. Restore the worm gear. And now I will do it. I will show it. Oh no, I will not show it. Yes. I will do it and I will show you the result. And it's possible, it no need any special tool, no need. It's possible to do in condition like this. Now I will do it and will show the result. And now the motor. This is how it was, and now it fully, let's see, all perfect, nothing broke. Checking inside, very easy. Outside, easy. Start hard, but smooth. Moving by fingers. Hop. Very good. Perfect. So now it's ready to install. Oh, what is this? Wow, some small holes. Yeah. It has some difference. Oh, some changes. Yes. And also I will describe it, no problem. So by this technology, it's possible to restore this clutch actuator once, second time, third time, fourth time. Really? The Toyota will know live how much times it's possible to repair it. Also, by this technology I did repair for China's, but the China's actuators, it's very bad quality. Also, you see, this company also not good. So call me, message me, no problem.